for the Williams machine. Samantha Moore coming out of right Michigan. Rick Irvin coming out of right-hand side, Pendleton, South Carolina. Samantha Moore goes 872, 155 miles an hour. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Samantha Moore, the lady that kind of impressed everybody yesterday. Brighton, Michigan, 14 Mustang. Your number one qualifier, 872, man, is flying in this category. Kevin McConnor, Zelo, Michigan, the 90 Mustang. Going to be left-hand side to racetrack. Your number 9 qualifier. So all eyes on the right-hand side. Can we see 860s? Whoa, baby. Front end a little bit in the air, moving around a little bit. Left-hand side, shrinks the tires. Samantha Moore going to try and lay it downtown. 869 and 156 miles an hour. There's the 860, baby. 869, the heat of the day right there for Samantha Moore. Lays down a stout pass right here to Mansfield Dynamics Limited Street. Wow. So Michael Ludowski coming on the right-hand side, Southgate, Michigan, 79 Mustang, the box body right there, a little taillight upgrade, 352 cubic inch. Number 5 qualifier going to get Samantha Moore, and the one that's shocking everybody at the moment from Brighton, Michigan, the 14 Mustang. Your number 1 qualifier going to be the left-hand side, going to try and better the 869 they laid down earlier. Zero, 155 miles an hour is not going to better the number 1 spot, my man. Still. Rick Irvin coming out of Pendleton, South Carolina, the 50 Mustang, getting Samantha Moore, Brighton, Michigan, number 2 on the qualifying list. Let's see what they can lay down. Moore's been impressive. Rick goes red, didn't matter. Samantha's got it regardless. Samantha trying to move up in points, top thing going to go 875, 154, so pretty solid. 1174 and 89, Rick going home. Back track. So here we go. Samantha Moore coming out of Brighton, Michigan. Michael Ludowski coming out of Southgate, Michigan. 79 Mustang going to be the left-hand side. Number 2 versus number 5. Moore, going to go 868, 155 miles an hour for the victory right there as Michael goes 895, 150.